Hi guys. So following the sustainability post, paraphrasing one particular question I got in the DM that says, "How then can a DIY person introduce sustainability into their home or into their project?" I'm not saying, yeah, I know I said irrelating is not sustainability. I said that to mean or discourage the fact that we prioritize these derivatives or we give too much attention to these derivatives and the entire concept of sustainability. So you see us prioritizing roof garden, recycled material, renewable energy. These are the things that are very common because there are a lot of other things that people consider that way. I think those are the common things that people always talk about when they talk about sustainability. So, while these are elements that introduce sustainability, they are not in themselves sustainability. I say that with the background knowledge of the architects, understanding how people tend to confuse these elements as the real deal, and they forget that sustainability is more of a lifestyle than a phase. So, when thinking of how this comes into a building project, sustainability is not just a decision you make based on which one is more affordable. Sustainability, again, sustainability is not equal to minimalism, okay? Particularly. So, it is not about what you can do or cannot do at the moment, but what the implication of that doing or not doing mean or what it becomes over time. If you decide today to make your house out of gold, you don't know that is going to last very well. Can you keep up with the lifestyle that is going to mean for you? And can you keep up with the security of it? Back to the question, how can sustainability be introduced into a project by people who have just limited resources and they intend to maximize this resource? And it starts with the process. It starts with the goal. It starts with what you intend to achieve in that goal. Do I intend to use this building as a form of revenue generation? Do I just want to keep spending money on it? And all of this will help you answer the question of whether your building is going to be able to keep itself running or you're going to have to help the building to live. So what's the foundation going to be like? What is the envelope going to be made of? What is the finishing going to look like? That's one. And then what will be the maintenance frequency over time? So if what fits your budget and style is something that you are sure that you can manage and maintain, or something that helps you to minimize or even almost eliminate maintenance, then I believe that would be a better option as something that is readily affordable but will have to constantly repair or fix or update or upgrade every season. So I hope I've been able to answer that. Let me know what you think in the comments.